in, bro. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Hey, playmakers on 3. 1, 2, 3. Playmakers.
We here for a mission. Understand the mission. Anything short of that is a letdown. Yep. Anything short of that is a letdown.
Come on, Pope. Time to turn it hot.
The right-footed line drive is headed toward Marcus Jones. Backpedaling from the near side 4. Across the 10. Cuts it left. Weaves his way outside 15-20. Jones left sideline 30. Jones to the 35-40. Stays on his feet. Across the 45.
Speed you up to number 3 and just give me like a quick look now. That was
Maye back in the pocket, rolling right, pumping, throws it downfield for Douglas, got behind the defense, juggling one-handed catcher on the sideline, falling out of bounds at the 32 of Tennessee. Maye in the gun, with Stevenson to his right. Rhamondre takes the handoff, he runs up the middle, he's in, touchdown, Patriots!
Great job! You ready to go back? Let's get in and out of the huddle. It starts with you. Let's make sure everyone's set and keep going forward. Let's go. Good job.
Good job, boys.
Keep going.
Shoulder high snap. Rudolph is back in the pocket. Looking left. Lobs a throw toward the end zone. Open. Touchdown. Westbrook and Kinney.
let's go, man. Let's go, dog.
Just like last week, brother. Just like last week.
Snap to Maye. Drops back. Looks down the middle. Throws to the middle. Passes caught at the 5. The snap to Maye, back 2 steps, looks to the end zone. He pumps, he backs up, he slides left. He looks in the left corner. Now he rolls to his right. He pulls up in the middle of the field. Drake Maye eludes a defender, running to his left, looking to the end zone, trying to keep the play alive. Falling down, he throws to the end zone. It's caught! Touchdown! Rhamondre Stevenson!
Let's go! That's a lot.
From 25. Cox, a veteran long snapper, to Stonehouse with a hold, and Folks kick. Airborne to the uprights, and the kick is good. The Titans win it 20-17.